Transform your Medium articles from static text to dynamic storytelling by seamlessly embedding captivating videos. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to add videos from popular platforms like YouTube and Vimeo to your Medium posts, boosting engagement and making your content more visually appealing. First, let's look at YouTube. Find the video you want to embed and simply copy its web address, or URL, from your browser's address bar. Now, head over to your Medium article draft, click on an empty line where you want your video to appear, and paste that YouTube URL directly into the editor. Medium is smart as circumflex euros. It will automatically recognize the link and embed a playable preview of your video. The process for Vimeo is very similar. Go to your Vimeo video, find the embed option, and copy the provided embed code back in your Medium draft. Paste this embed code onto an empty line again. Medium will magically convert that code into a beautiful, embedded Vimeo player within your article. Once your video is embedded, you have options. You can click and drag the video to center it, or resize it to fit perfectly within your text. Experiment with different placements to see what looks best and flows smoothly with your narrative. Remember, strategic placement matters. Think about where your video will have the most impact. Embedding videos not only breaks up text, but also provides a more immersive experience for your readers, encouraging them to spend more time engaging with your content. Mastering video embedding on Medium is a powerful way to elevate your content strategy. Hit subscribe for more tips on creating engaging digital content.